Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to make a pie chart using Minitab. So let's start with our data. Suppose I have one variable as treatment, that is my categorical variable, and I have four different treatments T1, T2, T3, and T4. Then I have three different variables uh, which I measured the values, for example, nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen, and they have different values. So if I want to make a pie chart showing uh, the nitrogen concentration from different treatments, I will just simply copy this data into Minitab, which I already have it here, treatment, and nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen. So first of all, I will click on graph here and go to pie chart option. So select pie chart. After that, I have two options here, chart count of unique values and chart values from a table. So I will select chart values from table when I click on categorical variables. So here I can select treatment here. So click on treatment and then select. In summary variables, you can select any variable from these three, nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, or even we can select all of them. So if I want just one variable nitrogen, I will select nitrogen and select. So that is my variable. If we have multiple variables, for example, if I want all three, so I will select all three variables and select them. So I have N2O, all three variables in my summary variable. In multiple graphs, I will see how I want to arrange them, if I want them on same graph or separate graphs. So I want them on separate graphs. Click OK. OK. So now we have three different pie charts for all three variables, nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen. So if I click on, if I want to edit this, for example, if I want to see which one is my nitrogen, carbon, I will just simply double click on this graph and it will take me to edit menu. Here I can edit, I can change the colors, font, and I can edit text also. For example, if I double click here, I can select treatment, I can show nitrogen, for example, and then I can change the size of the text, make it bold,